Hi, welcome to the Staking Geek channel. Today we're going to look at EigenLayer, a new protocol on Ethereum, and how you can restake your staked ETH to earn additional yield and bonuses. EigenLayer is built on Ethereum and introduces this new concept called restaking. If you have one of the staked ETH tokens or multiple of them, you can now restake them. By restaking them, you are extending the security of Ethereum's consensus layer, the proof of stake, the layer secured by the hundreds of thousands of validators, to developers that are building new decentralized services. In return, you get additional yield. If you want to do a little bit more research, I'll leave this link in the description. You can go and take a look. So if we come over here on X, at EigenLayer is their handle. You could follow them. I did a video back in July of 2023 covering rsETH and restaking. This concept was very new at the time, and since there have been a handful of other projects that have spun up that are getting some attention, one of those projects is Kelp, or the KelpDAO. There they are, at KelpDAO on X. This project was started by the same guys that previously founded Stater Labs. I've discussed them on other videos. Stater is a multi-chain liquid staking platform with over 300 million in total value locked. There they are. All right, so let's head over here to KelpDAO.xyz. That's the official link. Click restake now. Currently, the deposit is paused, but the queue isn't, so you can start depositing into the queue, and once they unpause the queue, your stake tokens will be restaked, and right now you can add ETH, which is Stater, into the queue, and Frax ETH. Right now, rsETH is not currently available to be deposited into the queue. If you have rsETH, you can always go on Uniswap, swap rsETH for ETH, and then come over here to staterlabs.com, and you can stake that ETH for ETH, and then you can come back over here to KelpDAO.xyz, and you can restake ETH into the queue. And once you deposit the ETH, you'll receive the the restake token. So if you can come over here, you're liquid, you hit rsETH, you can convert it back to ETH on Uniswap. ETH can be converted into ETH again. You can convert ETH into USDT, so you can stay liquid. You could take ETH and you can come over to Uniswap. There's potentially a pool, so you can invest liquidity into this pool to earn fees that traders are generating from swapping tokens. All right, so if we head back here, if we go over here to restake, so ETH is earning EigenLayer points and bonuses along with Kelp miles. It looks like Frax is earning EigenLayer points and Kelp miles. So if we come over here to dashboard, EigenLayer points is the amount of ETH that you're staking times the amount of hours that's being staked. Kelp miles, you receive early bonuses. It looks like it's calculating the amount of ETH in LST, in liquid staking token, times the number of days times 10,000. And if you're receiving this bonus, you'll get a 1.25, an extra bonus. So anybody that's staked after these dates here, you'll just go the amount of ETH worth in LST. So let's say you had 1 ETH and it's like 0.99 LST times the number of days that you're staking times 10,000. Right now, I believe you are receiving 100,000 Kelp miles for every rsETH you mint. If you come over here to their Discord, you can read a little bit about it here. They also posted it. I'll leave this link in the description as well, so you can do a little bit more research. And if we head over here to their docs section, I'll leave this link in the description as well. You can do a little bit more research on Kelp miles and Eigen points and see how much you are potentially getting. Not sure exactly what miles or EigenLayer points will do or be worth, but they'll be distributing them later. Might be an airdrop before a token launch. Not sure right now, but I'll keep an eye and an ear out for any updates. All right, so that's the end of this video. If you want to share anything that helps other viewers or anything I missed, please leave those in the comments. Seems like every rabbit hole I go down, there are several other new and exciting projects. I have a few more that I'll be releasing over the next week or so. Until next time, don't worry, be happy. See ya.